Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So in this video we are going to create the range bar, volume bar by using the JavaScript. Okay, so let me run it into the live server. So here we have the live server. So what we need to do, we need to create the script. Sorry. So here script tag, and here should be the volume. So instead of the volume, what we should do, what should we need to do? We need to put the input. Okay, input. Sorry, input. Type should be the range, and maximum value should be the max value should be the 100%, 100, and minimum value is the one. Then when we click onto the on change event DOM, event DOM event is the on change, then it should call my function, and it should need to pass the parameter this dot value. Okay, so here we need to work with the h3 tag. H2 tag will be better. Here your volume is the volume is and there should be spam with the id error. Spam with the id should be the error, I think so. id must be the actually this is not the error, this is the current value, C value. What can I pass the name for the span? So let me pass the name of the spam to the C value, current value. Okay, so C value would be the here. Saved it. In our side we have a navigation bar. So by default, what I need to do, I need to put the value. By default, the value should be the 25%. Okay. So now it should need to go here, but it's still there. Then what is the need? Then what is the main reason I need to check? Actually, I don't need to pass it into the percentage. I need to pass it as same as the 25. So the result is in front of us. Okay. So the volume is what? There should be a space. Yes, there is it. So here we need to code with the JavaScript. First of all, what we need to do? We need to define a function. Function, the value must be my function, and parameter should be the promise. Well and good. So here, what I need to do, I need to call this ID. I think no, I need to call. What should I need to do? Actually, what we need to do, we need to get this value and should store. Okay. So variable IDD will be is equal to document that get element by id dot get element by id what is c value. Okay, yeah. So what does it should do? Id dot inner html would be equal to inner html would be is equal to what a promise concatenation, there should be the percentage. Okay, and now let's see. So it didn't return us anything. Why it didn't return us anything? Because we didn't change this value. So now it is returning us. So by default it should also be the 25%. So now it is 25% and it is changing as I change the value. So that is it. So that is it with the volume bar. Okay, this is for that is for this project. So let's go. So Allah Hafiz.